Hey there, how you doing? I'm Kimi. Me and my friend are going to a fashion show tonight. There is a luxurious dress code. So both of us decided to dress up along black dresses. And now I'm preparing my look for it. Let's get started before we get late, as usual. My face is clean, but I already did my eyebrows to have a natural look. I'm going to show and try to explain how I make a dark smoky eyes. First, I draw a frame with a beige tone for the black part in the middle. This construction frame is so important, especially for hooded eyes if you want to lift them up. Then I'm drawing a half circle with dark brown eyeshadow. You can go back to it at any time if you think you need to blend it better. And right in the middle I'm applying black eyeshadow. Blend it well till the dark brown half circle, but don't go beyond it. I will do the same on the other side as well. I'm using these 4 different types of brushes. Preparing my face and neck tone to look clean and glamorous. I'm highlighting specific parts with a concealer. Putting the powder to lock all in. Now I'm reshadowing my nose without leaving any lines, just playing with the beige tone and highlights. Today I'm using white highlighter with no other pigments, because I want to create clear vision with wet skin effect. I'm brushing my eyebrows up with brow wax. Underlining my eyes with black pencil and blending it down with dark brown shadow. Then cleaning with beige tone to smooth it well. Finishing the eyes of this makeup look with lashes. They are curly and not so long. I'm going to put them under my natural lashes, like this. As you can see on my left eye, I make them shorter, cutting the edges. Applying the glue on the correct side. And using my own tools to put the lashes as safely as I can. I choose nude matte lipstick to leave the accent on the eyes. Hello guys, how you doing? We are here with my friend, with my lovely friend, in some really small hotel. It's okay. I'm gonna show you. We have roommates, but now they are not here. Looks like Flintstones cake. It's really small, but we have all of these mirrors that is super. Say hi. Hi. She's so amazing. I can say that she's my best friend. Okay, we're gonna dress up. My fake tan.
J'ai décidé de pardonner. Laissez-moi entrer.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's crying because she loves the show so much.
И
Czekaj, otvoreno.
давай сега. Къде гледаш камера?
Да.
Давай. И раз. Два.
Може малко по-чу.
Извинявайте.
Разбира се.